Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I'm here at Mount Washington Lodge number 614 in Independence, Missouri. We'll take you through this beautiful building they have here, give you a grand tour. Maybe once you see everything, maybe you'll want to come in this building and join these brothers in a meeting. Come along with us. You just entered the Coolest Life Masonic Edition. Alright, we are inside, and downstairs is the dining room, just that way. Of course, that's the front door that you saw from the outside. And then they've got a small meeting area, different color chairs. Obviously tells me there's either was an Eastern Star chapter here, or there still is, or you would see chairs like that. Most Missouri lodges, especially around Kansas City, are going to have some type of Harry Truman picture in it. And this is no exception. You see another one over there. There's also one inside at the main lodge room. Here's a few of the brothers here. Let's look at the more recent picture of their group. Got a nice big sign-in roster area there. And this is the main lodge room. But check out this Tyler sword. It's a nice claymore. It's also got some leather work on it that I noticed before. Check the leather work on this thing. Got leather work on that end. Typically you see it on that end, but not this end. So there's a little bit of leather work on this sword. Pretty neat. I like it. And they hang that right out here. So this is the lodge room itself. And we normally start, look at this. Nice hanging bell. I like it. There's your column. Nice column there. Got your celestial globe up top. Got your, pretty common to see that one there, made of pewter. And I see this a lot. You see how they get banged around so much that these tend to curve in. I see that quite often in lodges. Definitely not a first. Standard, this has got a little bit of a curve to it here. But other than that, it's perfectly round. We saw some other lodges that were octagons in different shapes. This is, of course, your senior warden station. And you can see this column is laying on its side. That's for a reason. And that's a nice setting maul there. Setting malls are pretty common. Normally, if you see one setting mall or your senior warden, you're going to find one your junior warden also. However, the master might have a setting mall, and he might not. That looks like the hammer there. He might actually hit that gong with. Oh, like that. That's actually the junior warden's apron. I wonder if he knows that, because that is a plumb. That is not a level. A level should look more like that. I don't see any Masonic logos on any of it. There is 2 steps here, though. Good to see that. And that looks like an old vent for the heating and cooling system. Never seen these before in a lodge, at least not depicted like this. That's nice. Get your fellow craft. Nice. I like that. There's your master. That there, of course, your entered apprentice. Another nice big picture of Harry Truman. Oh, look at there. There's a pocket door. I think it's a pocket door. It is a pocket door, but it slides. So I didn't break something. And the other pocket door is here. It slides too. Nice. See pictures of all the past masters against the wall. And we're down here. Let's see, they got their treasures sitting here. A lot of the treasures will have their own desk, but I haven't seen that much in the Kansas City here. It seems like many of them just got chairs just like this one. There's our senior deacon. He's going to wear a top hat today. He's got a nice big top hat. It's leather. And I saw these items over here. Of course, we've seen working tools before. You got your ballot box. I like that hinge. That's a neat hinge there. This is the end. This is the business end here. Oh, check out that. It's got a leather piece. I've never seen a leather piece inside of a. That's nice. I'm not gonna put anything in there. Never seen a leather catcher though. It's about the size of a tablespoon actually. Make sure there's nothing in here. Nothing in here at all. So good. And this would, once you vote there, you would see to destroy the ballot. No one has to see it. You would just pick this up and lean it that way, and everything would slide back over. Nice. This item here, have no idea. Will not confirm or deny what this is. Have no idea. In good condition though. You could smack somebody with that. Got a secondary one here too. Ooh, that one's a little harder. That feels like a really hard boxing glove. Don't know what that is. Oh, they got a sprig of something here. I don't know what that is. And a couple other working tools, and looks like there's another ballot box there. I don't know what that's for. Small ballot box. Little bitty. Nice piano. Here's where the master would sit. Picture of George Washington. They got a nice big G up here. I'm sure that lights up. It's really old looking. This building is 103 years old. Now this is going to be new to me. This is for a marshal. I haven't seen very many marshals do any kind of work during a degree since I was in Pennsylvania. So it's been a year and a half or so since so this looks like they actually have a marshal that may actually do a declaration. Normally marshals work during installations and things like that, but we'll see if I'll see if they're involved in any of the work. Got a pull down screen and a TV in the back. Looks like that's their charter there. Let's see if I can read the 1911 maybe? I don't know. I can't really tell. Those dates are hard to see. Real hard to see. And you got your junior and senior warden over here. This is where your senior warden would sit, but the apron's not here. Of course, here's the junior warden. This would be your, this would be your senior steward would sit here, and your junior steward would sit there, but he's not. His apron's not here. This one is laying down. You'd probably able to stand that up. I'm just going to stand up. We'll see if they notice. I like that one. That's actually a gavel there. Wow, this might actually belong to the person that sits in this station. Typically, I would see a setting mall here, only because there's a setting mall at the other station, senior warden station. In fact, let's hurry back over here real quick and take a look at this gavel for the master. Wow, that's nice. It's girthy too. I mean, that's a good sized gavel. Got some size to it. I like it. I hate that. You know me, I see in my other videos, I hate it when it points down. I think it should point up just like it does on his jewel. Like it does on his jewel right there. See his jewel? Point it up. Senior warden's apron is here instead of at the other end. There's the chaplain. And of course, here's the worshipful master. Let's see, is it going to be up or down? Up or down? Oh, look, it's pointed up. But I digress. Nice sheaf of wheat suspended over the junior warden's desk. Nice, no ear of corn, but there is a sheaf of wheat there. You don't see too many real sheaves of wheat. Now, a real sheaf of wheat would be actually technically be bigger than that, but even one that size is pretty rare to find. Let's see what we got here. This is for the crucible. It looks like chalk, coal, and clay. You might know what that's for. I like these older style chairs. They're really good looking, and they're padded all the way up. I love that. And here sits their altar. Got the lesser lights over here. Bibles over here. They may have some brothers that are from different denominations of religion, so they're going to have those there, because Masonry is not a religion, which is why if you have other brothers that are part of this particular Blue Lodge, that are not Christians, you want to have their faith also up here. They must believe in a higher power, though. Masonry is no place for atheists or agnostics, what we call confused people. Now, you got to get that part of your life straight before you become a Mason. Biblical index. And there's Genesis. Nice. I like that list there. Previous Masons, presidents who are Masons. Sometimes you'll see I actually have a picture of them in here in the book itself. Not this one. It's nice. Yes. I like it. I like it. So if you're ever in Independence, Missouri, and you want to come visit a lodge, come on out here and visit this one here, Mount Washington Lodge here in Independence. Nice lodge, nice older lodge. Definitely got some character to it. A little smell the older lodges. They'll kind of smell the same all those older buildings do, especially with the carpet and all. But like videos like this, check out our playlist of Masonic buildings, and you'll see some other Masonic buildings from around the country. We've got about, I think we're pushing 170 now. So, but stick around with us and check out some of those other videos, and I'll put some links inside of this video. You probably saw them pop up there somewhere of different links of different buildings, Masonic facilities around the country. But I'm going to let you go. Be sure to like and subscribe, because I need to get back out here living the coolest life, Masonic edition.